We're a dietary supplement manufacturer and packager. We own our own brand. We've been around the world for about 40 years. We hit the 40th year this year, actually. And we're focused on improving and helping people live better, healthier lives. I've been here for about 18 months, and we have started that Redzone continuous improvement journey since day one.
Redzone is the right tool to go to and making everything easier. Come to go from paperless, real time, being, tracking any order we need to track.
The productivity module at the beginning when we first implemented it, the big piece for me, it gave us the ability to see things in real time.
Because you can see on the Redzone, on the tablet that I carry with me every day, I can see what's downtime or what's going on in the machinery.
Now I can look quickly in a matter of minutes and know how my OE is, how my productivity is, what machine is not working well. So it gives me that visibility very quickly.
So, and we need to improve something, we go to Redzone and grab the information, and if we need to make any movements, we do it right and then.
I need to pinpoint something and direct towards a manager or supervisor. I can actually share with them from iPad to iPad.
So we probably got more than 30 TVs around the plant telling you the status of that. So that public accountability, that public status of where I'm at, where I'm, again, using OEEs, using the Edge system, using those where I'm able to compare apples to apples amongst the shifts. That helps tremendously. The power of what we are is ultimately in the people. The Redzone infrastructure tool is the digital solution with some infrastructure and with some best practices to help us lead us down that journey. But ultimately, it's still about people. That never goes away. So in the people side, you need to make them part of the process, a part of that solution.
The huddles have allowed us to grab the right people, the production supervisor or packaging supervisor, the manager, the quality department, and maintenance, and work with them and solve problems right then and there.
Come to Redzone help us a lot in communication, to communicate between our teammate, our coworker, or even supervisor. Now with Redzone, automatically we could just make a quick decision.
So I got excited when Dwayne was asking us, so how do you feel about compliance to be part of the Redzone? So I was excited because my goal when I first got here was to become paperless. So when Dwayne showed me Redzone, I got excited because, oh, this is now the tool that I can use to implement paperless in the factory.
In this type of industry, you have a lot of paper that follows your lots, your jobs, and what we've done is we've digitized almost all of it.
We normally used to have around 25 sheets that we used to do with paper, and now with the Redzone, when we implemented it, they were cut down to like 5 sheets.
So quality really shone this past year by helping drive not just the compliance, hitting USP, hitting an A+ in NSF. So that, I think, is by far has been one of the nice wins of the team locally that I'm really happy about.
And I think that's the biggest positive piece of Redzone as a whole. It's opened the door of communication. It's brought our manufacturing, our packaging, our quality, and our maintenance groups together.
Based on Redzone, I grow a lot because I got more involved in Redzone, trying to find out it was a new tool. It's something I got excited, and I started learning a lot from it. So that opened doors for me to train as a supervisor in packaging because how well I was doing come to Redzone.
A lot of people have taken this on, they've taken responsibility, they understand what it's for, and they've stepped up. Redzone has allowed them to actually have a voice.
Within the Natrol organization has allowed us to create what we call the circle of boom. Within about less than a year, we saw productivity virtually double. We saw labor costs as a proportion exponentially drop down. One of our key metrics that all of us have, on time in full, was 99.5%. In less than a year, we more than tripled the EBITDA. And I was only able to do that because the Natrol team is absolutely so fantastic. They were able to take the tool that Redzone provided us and take that and run with it.